Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today, and welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be trying out some new Wet n Wild products. So I was at Walgreens the other day and I saw this like end display or like side end display of all these new Wet n Wild products. And there was a few like eyeshadow palettes and they were all kind of more colorful and none of them really spoke to me, and I also don't need any more eyeshadows. There was a ton of these new Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipsticks, which was kind of interesting to me. So I picked up one in the shade Bad Girls Club, and it's this kind of like strawberry red color. I'm pretty excited to give this a shot. And then they also had a ton, and I mean like a ton, of these new Liquid Catsuit shimmer liquid eyeshadows. And they did have some that weren't shimmer. They had some that were like matte, and they were more like natural colored, like almost like skin tone or like slight like taupiness. But they had a ton of shimmer and like a ton of like glittery colors. But I got mine in the shade Cashmere Love, which is like this like bronzy color. Now these two colors together I thought were really fun and kind of like Christmassy, so I wanted to give these a shot. I'm not really a fan of like matte liquid lipsticks anymore, so I was really interested in this High Shine lipstick formula. I've never tried it, I haven't heard anyone try it, and so I hope it's good. But my plan today is to wear both of these. I'm gonna put this on the eyes, and I'm just gonna do like a really simple look. As you can tell, I'm just wearing like a t-shirt and a jean jacket and a beanie. I need to wash my hair and I didn't feel like washing my hair today. And so I'm just gonna do a simple look. I'm gonna put this all over the lid and then maybe add a little bit of something in the crease. And so we'll see how this goes. So I do have a little brush to help with this. I'll probably mostly use my finger, but this is the Luxie mini round brush, and I've used this for like liquid things before and it helps a lot. It's like a synthetic brush, but it's really small so you can like kind of get in there. So I'm going to attempt to put this on my eye and we'll see how this goes. So the doe foot on this is a little, I mean, I guess it's just a standard doe foot, but you've got quite a bit of product on there. Just gonna add this, and I already did prime my lids. I didn't set it with a powder though, because I wanted to put this on, and you probably didn't want to put this on top of a powder. I don't know. This is actually more sheer than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I feel like this is gonna dry pretty quick. I'm gonna take that brush and kind of blend out the edges. On initial application, it's kind of burning my eyes, but I can't tell if it's just like because it's wet and it's like cooling or if it's actually like burning my eyelids. Let's try the other eye. So that's applied to both eyes. I don't really want to add any more on. I'm kind of afraid of how it will layer, but I want to let this dry before I add any other shadow. But like I said, it is kind of thinner. Like it's not as intense as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more shimmery, a little bit more glittery, but you know, I'm okay with sheer. I do have one of the Cover FX Shimmer Veil liquid shadow things, and it's like in a pinky color, and I have a few issues with it. One being it does not stay in place. It just kind of like creases and does weird things. The glitter falls off throughout the day. And I don't really like the color. I do more neutral colors on the lid, which is why I was kind of drawn to this color. I do think it's a pretty color. So I think that's pretty dry. I am gonna go into the Profusion Sienna's palette, throw on a few shades to kind of blend that out. This is actually the only Profusion palette I have, And this was like a limited edition thing. They don't have this one around anymore, but they do have one in their Christmas collection, which is out at Target. That looks super similar to this, but the shades are in circles, but the colors are very similar. I would highly recommend it. If you see Profusion palettes, I mean, again, this is the only one I have, but I really like it. I'm going to take Adventurous, which is this just like tan color here. And this is just the brush that came with the shadows. And I'm going to put that into the crease. I do feel like as I'm blending it, it's kicking off some of the glitter from the shadow. Maybe I should have put in the glitter on after I do something in my crease. I don't know. I might try and put just a touch more on. And since, again, I'm just looking for something super basic today, I think I might just leave it at that. Just like really blend it out into the crease and up to the brow bone. I am going to take the other end of this eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Polite here, which is just like a really pale, slightly shimmery white color. And I'm going to go on my brow bone and the inner corner. And using the same end, I'm going to go back into that tan color, the Adventurous shade, and take it along the lower lash line. And then again, going with the fluffy side, I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna attempt to put a touch more of this on. I'm just gonna focus it really in like the center of the lid. So maybe the key is using your finger and not a brush. Or maybe it's just adding more, because now I've got some more pigment there, some more glitter. You know what? I was trying to figure out why everything looked so weird in the viewfinder today, because I had the room light on and none of my lights on. So this is what it looks like with my normal lighting. So like I said, I feel like that color on the lid has built up a little bit, but we'll have to see how it wears throughout the day, so I'm just gonna pop some mascara on. Now on to the lips. Again, I'm so excited to try this out. I do have a few of the original Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suits, like matte liquid lipsticks, and I do enjoy them. I think they're nice for not being like overly drying, and they have some great colors, and I do enjoy them, so I'm excited to give this one a try. It does have your regular like Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit doe foot applicator, so it kind of hugs your lips a little bit more, but let's try this out. I feel like I'm not getting a ton of pigmentation with this. I'm a little worried. Just by like moving my lips, it's kind of like moving around, which I guess is what you get with not using a liquid lipstick or like a matte liquid lipstick. But I do think that color is pretty. It's definitely not a color I would normally go for. I don't really know what's like pulling me to colors recently, but I like it. Different. So we'll have to see how this wears. I will be back with you this afternoon or this evening to kind of show you how this went. So far, my thoughts on this eye stuff. The thing I would like about an eye product like this is for ease. Like, I want it to just put it on my lid, maybe buff a color into the crease like I did, and then just like call it a day and go. I don't really want something that's gonna like accent like a big colorful eye. I just want something simple, and so we'll see how this wears. I do have quite a bit of it built up there on top of my lid. The lip, I don't know. I'll probably take it with me today just in case, because I will eat throughout the day and we'll see how it goes. But I'll be back with you with my thoughts in a little bit. Welcome back. I have had my makeup on for 10 hours. So this is like an average day, being at work for like a full day, I guess, coming home. If I were to go out again, besides like running errands or something, like if I was gonna like go out to dinner, or like go to a friend's house for dinner or something, I would probably like redo a little bit or like powder, maybe touch up my eyes or something, but most nights I just call it a day when I get home from work, or even if I'm running errands and stuff. It's just, my makeup is what it is for the day. So this is how the eyes wore. I'm pretty pleased. Like, I think this is really good. There's a little bit of creasing happening, especially on this eye. I'm not sure if it's because I have like some extra product or something, but really, it's not a lot of creasing. And honestly, the Cover FX product that I was talking about earlier does not wear like this. This wears so much better. So I'm pretty impressed. Way to go, Wet n Wild. And I really, really enjoy the color. This color is so pretty. I like this kind of like shade on my eyes. It looks a little smoky, but not like overdone. And so this is really pretty. I think it makes my eyes look a little bit kind of like a deep forest green. And I'm a fan, so I will definitely be pulling this out super often. The lip, I think it's okay. I didn't end up liking this color as much as I thought. For some reason, I thought this was gonna be like a little bit deeper and like a little bit more, I don't know. You can still see it on my lips a little bit. It actually like stained my lips a bit. I would honestly rather it stain my lips and like let it fade naturally and like okay than it kind of like cracking off and getting all weird. So I think it looks okay. I did blot my lips before I ate lunch quite a bit to try and like eliminate transferring it to my chin, which happens with literally every single lip product for me. I don't know why. It happens with liquid lipsticks, it happens with matte lipsticks, it happens with lip gloss, lip liner, it happens with everything. I don't know if it's because I have like oily skin and like a pouty lower lip or something, and it just transfers when I eat, but literally any lip product, it gets on my chin, which you can still see it a little bit. I kind of rubbed it off and it kind of made my makeup come off a little bit, but I think this did wear okay. I kind of wanted to try applying just a little bit of it and then like blotting it out a little bit to see how that looks, so I'm gonna try that. Since I wasn't a huge fan of the color, I thought maybe like a sheer wash of it might be kind of nice. Give you like the popsicle stained lip kind of thing. Yeah. Now that is a lip look I can get behind. Super easy, a little bit of color, super comfortable as well. Like there's nothing crazy going on. Most of the color is kind of towards the inside of the lips. How did I get some over here though? Anyway, pretty nice. I'm interested in maybe trying another color of this. If you've tried this and you have like a favorite color, let me know down below, because there was a lot of colors and I was getting kind of overwhelmed, so I just went for this like red one because I thought this would be really like Christmassy and like holiday. Especially with this, I really liked this combo for like holiday looks. Today my look is very casual, nothing like fancy, but I still like the combo. This I like more than this, which both of these were $4.99, and like I said, I got these at Walgreens. Occasionally you can get Wet n Wild on sale at Walgreens, like buy one get one half off, but sometimes they do limit what items are buy one get one half off. Like I could have sworn all of Wet n Wild was buy one get one half off when I bought these, but they didn't count towards that sale for some reason. I don't know if it's because they were like new or like, I don't think these are limited edition. I'm pretty sure these are just new products. So I don't know, but sometimes Walgreens is like weird with that kind of stuff. It's like, oh, Wet n Wild's on sale, but not these products. And I've noticed that with other brands as well, so I don't know. Overall though, I think these are really great. Again, Wet n Wild is so affordable, and you can just really get some great products for a really good price. And so I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Have you tried these? Are you interested in trying these? The only place I have seen these is Walgreens as of right now. I'm interested to see if they bring these products to other stores or if they just stay at Walgreens. I don't know. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I do have a Trader Joe's giveaway going on right now. It ends a week from today. If you are interested in that, I'll leave it down below, but I'm giving away some of my favorite Trader Joe's products, and all you have to do to be entered is be subscribed to my channel. So check that out for the details. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.